Benvenuti to the world of Papa Beans extra virgin olive oil.
Ciao a tutti, okay?
Okay, so we're ready for another aperitif.
Voglio fare il zucchini
Appetizer.
roll.
Ooh,
Okay.
we're gonna do a zucchini roll with what?
Oggi le facciamo con i gamberetti.
Oh,
Shrimps. Right? Shrimps.
Beautiful.
Correct? Okay. Now, I use the peeler with a regular blade. Okay. Slice.
Slice.
The
And
zucchini.
look at that beautiful slice.
So, we're gonna slice 3, 4, depends on the people you have at home, okay?
Okay.
Those are little, but when the people start trying this, they're gonna eat a lot. So that's why, you know, they're
Because
ready.
they're good, that's
Yeah,
right.
yeah.
We're gonna use the Papa Beans lemon olive
Okay.
oil because that's delicious
Buonissimo,
when you make it with the fish.
Appena un goccettino, appena
We're just
appena.
gonna put a
little bit, you know,
little
like
drop.
yeah, drop it because
Just
it's
a little bit.
for the flavor, okay?
We're just gonna,
Now,
just for
I
flavor.
want to use some lemon too.
Okay, you're gonna
Zest.
use a lemon zest, okay?
With the julienne blade.
With the julienne
Look,
blade, look at
just
that.
direct inside. Look.
No dirt.
Look.
Right inside the pan. Oh
Like
my
that,
god.
okay? So just like that.
Look at
One
that.
side and then the other side. You see the lemon to here? Okay,
Ooh, look
look.
at that. Look at that.
So, just put the shrimps. So when they come pink, they're ready, you know?
Look at that.
Okay? And the olive oil is just a little bit for the flavor, okay? Alright?
Beautiful.
Perfect. Okay, like this. Then we use
Coleslaw.
coleslaw, cabbage,
Okay.
with the same blade, okay? You can go one way or the other way. Look,
Look at that.
you see?
How simple this is.
So we make some little coleslaw like that, okay?
Okay.
Then we use the mandolin to cut the
The
carrots
carrots, okay.
with the julienne blade. We do this, we pick like that, and then just slice for the julienne, okay?
So-
Okay. Now we're gonna do little bit of carrots, little bit of zucchini, and we're gonna put the shrimp,
shrimp.
okay? Like that. Then you're gonna make a roll. See this? Just roll it like that.
Roll it like that. Look
Okay,
at that.
make sure that, yeah, you see this goes inside like that, and you roll it, okay? Roll, then I need a toothpick,
There are the toothpick.
okay? Put the toothpick here, so you hold
The shrimp.
you know, you see?
Look
We have
at that.
some lemon that you can just put on top, or you can put inside if you prefer, because some
Okay.
people don't like it, you know what I mean?
Okay.
And then you just keep it like this,